Euphoria. Them superpowers get neutralized, I can only watch in silence. The famous actor we once knew is looking paranoid and now spiraling. You're moving just like a degenerate, heavy antic is feeling distasteful. Why calculate, you're not as calculated, I can even predict your angles. Fabricating stories on the family front, cause you heard Mr. Morale. A pathetic master manipulator, I can smell the tails on you now. You're not a rap artist, you a scam artist with the hopes of being accepted. Tommy Hilfiger stood out, but FUBU never had been your collection. I make music that electrify 'em. You make music that pacify 'em. I can double down on that line, but spare you this time. That's random acts of kindness. Know you're a master manipulator and habitual liar too. But don't tell no lie about me, and I won't tell truths about you.
Shoo! 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 Beat, 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 beat. Yeah, I'm out the way, yeah, I'm low, okay. Yeah, the island right here is remote, okay. I ain't thinking about no reaper, nigga, I'm reaping what I sow, okay. Got a Benjamin and a Jackson all in my house, like I'm Joe, okay. Hellcat, made his homeboys and them types LA solo, okay. Everybody wanna be demon till they get chipped by your throwaway. And I might do a show a day. Once a lame, always a lame. Oh, you thought the money, the power of fame will make you go away. Have you ever played? Have you ever? Okay, nigga, let's play. Have you ever walked your enemy down like with a poker face? Have you ever paid 500,000 like to an open case? Well, I have, and I failed at both, but I came out straight. I hate when I rap or talk about guns, then somebody die, they turn into nuns, then I hop online like pray for my city. He faking for likes and digital hugs. His daddy a killer, he wanna be Junior. They must have forgot the shit that they done. Dementia must run in his family, but let it get shaky. I park his son.
Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Listen, I can never be beat. Only ever started rapping so my family can eat. And I could guarantee that you can never compete. You don't ever know the struggle till you're in your sleep. And yes, I talk about success, but also talk about that struggle. Only 17 years old, and I move it by the muscle. Moving subtle so they huddle. Knowing I'm trying to bubble. Real gangsters moving silence, they never knock the hustle. Make money. Let me show you how to make some money, make some money. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. On. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on. Let me show you how to get some money, I'll put you on.
Y'all know this Jeezy, and you listening to Q-Tip,
Settle up, stiletto up, saddle up and let's go. Good times, only difference making it dope. Chatter is up, peep the way we batter it up. On top of the mountain, folding the ladder up. You dead none, rip up your paper cause your status is none. Transfix on the strings of the page, whether chopper or gauge. You're just a single cause you wouldn't engage. Turned up with the script on the cup, you keep the goblins with us.
See how we push, sometime a man forget cough. Beat him in the head, boopity bop, zippity boff. Beat him in the head again, stop killing me wolf. Wop, beat him up till he drop, biggity poof. Oxy and me pull, he don't want no problem with nerves. Okay, let's get to drinking poison our livers, damn it, we sinners. When me and Abstract together, see we deliver. She got me touching it, fucking all on my fingers, damn it, we winners. Pillars of this rap shit, homie, they know. Kill everything till it's time for me to go. That's when I bomb it with a blow and then I black and get a little bit dummy. The microphone is bleeding, you should take it from me.
Legging with the clip, we dump it off like V. Ramonovic. Sorry, homie, you know we done friends, it's off of politics. Never get to see who really running shit. Now you know who running shit. You rappers on punishment. Papa dog niggas, they be lying on they brother dick. Everybody scared a little linky, man, is evident. Feeling like 50 way back in North 3 OD. Talking about goddamn it, you some other shit. 301 screaming 4-4 on my Louis shit. Papa tags by them more niggas on they dummy shit. Free my same news for a gold news. Black and yellow boots with the boots and the ghost. We shot a nigga, had to go last week. We don't really care who got shot last week. Riding under me, the plug and really bumping me. Go some bad shit, you don't want no problems with a GD, CPG. I'm the king of the streets. I never had to struggle when the gangs were beef. Always 10 toes, so it's hard to defeat. And trust me, nigga, I've been looking hard for a beef, huh?
You don't understand. I got New York City in the palm of my hand. Now I can make a tight fist and let it crumble ridiculous, or I can smack the world with a New York got Staten Island on my pinky, Queens on my thumb, dude. The Bronx on my middle finger, spinning, dude. Rock ice in Manhattan, so they the ring finger. You know I had to keep Brooklyn on the finger.
Don't I look charming? Put your lips up on me. Kiss it, touch it, good. Yes, I wish you would. Come on, like to see me when I dip, baby, dip. Don't it look like I got Beyonce hips? Looking like I could be like Nia Long, boy.
No, it feels like I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back, chinchilla ice on with a fitted. Everybody talk money, everybody done with it. That bull bread small in the arm. Turn it up, and you know I'm doing my thing, it's blue in the ring. If you had it like this, you probably do it the same. But you won't, cause you broke, all you do is complain. After the club, I'ma put a few in the range and let them.
Yeah, this is my nigga. Where my nigga? Ice Cube is a motherfucker. You better check yourself before you wreck yourself, cause I'm bad for your health. I come real stumped, dropping bombs on your moms. Fuck call alarms. You a foul crime, I'm that nigga with your alpine. Sold it for a 6-0, always let tricks know. And friends know we got the endo. No, I'm not a sucker, sitting in the house of pain. And no, I'm not the butler, I'll cut ya, head butt ya. You say you can't.
start boss, so me tough up her mouth with the pillar. She a curl up like caterpillar. Pussy feel like a new Glock to a killer. It a squeeze me up tight like a taxi. Me no say she got a little end, but the cock coulda bigger. So she nah give the pussy back to the nigga. Boats now say no, I bring it back to the singer. Infects to a we are. Fuck when dinner. Them girl, yeah, better than a garrison. Fi fuck with them girl that a no is young. She just a burn him like a Robinson. You love her, she love embarrass you. And him a say that him a
She don't do the blogs, but if she did, she'd be on mad sites. Ass so mean that I'm always on the bad side. Now she don't ever stress me about my whereabouts. Never seems concerned with other birds that she may care about. She mind hers, it's mine's hers. That shit she barely care about. Look amazing on me, why I'm always trying to wear her out. She don't ride like you know, she don't taste like that. Not with a waist like that, do I let her go to waste like that? She a mix between Kama Sutra, yoga and porno flicks. Funny cat breath is shorter when I give a long dick. And I'm telling y'all straight up, might think I imagine shouty even when she not made up. She killing me Levi, see why? It ain't even fair. Look good in whatever she wear. How could other women compare? Love being real mind, no downtime. Still nothing else even matters. Can't even walk slow through that mall, cause paparazzi running after. Baby girl working it like a pro. Slow it down, I'm moving faster. Whether them lights on and them lights off, like I'm sleeping with the clapper. Since she watching what she eat, yet that ass keep getting fatter. How I'm sexing her, making the extra hers no longer be a factor. Plus all I'm on already know. You done turned them all to Casper, climb with the former route or ladder. You already know which one I'd rather. Come on.
Give me pounds, give me dollars, give me francs, yeah. Straight to the bank, yeah. Fuck your things, cause the product is the thing, yeah. Melomaniac, call me Wolfgang, yeah. Used to be a baller, but now I want a blue gang, man. Ain't no way around it, sign a check and pay. They really miss my name in every rank. Now they looking for my name in every place. These labels won't sign me, man, what a cliche. Yeah. No discussion, yeah. No introduction, yeah. My attitude was fuck it, then I started hustling, yeah. They used to hate my moves, now you start to love it, yeah. And I ain't really got big jacks, where the money? Yeah. Give me money.
All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. Fuck being rational, give them what they asked for. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I make them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, then don't you get involved. Hey, what? How many shit I seen? Send them all. Take a risk or take a trip. You know I'm tripping for my dog. Who you with? Couple sergeants and lieutenants for the get back. This revolution been televised. I fell through with the knickknacks. Hey, young nigga, get your chili up. Yeah, I meant that. Hey, black out if they act out. Yeah, I did that. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. Hey. Niggas acting bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off.
Shit get crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. Crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. Shit get crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. 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 Crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious.
Wake up, A-cup, get your tits up in my makeup for the motherfucking princess. But bullshit me, she freaky, kinda leak, it's Dalai Lama. Don't you cooler than a fan, but she get hotter than a sauna. Take a trip out of Japan and I tsunami her vagina. Wine it down a Benihana, I'm the new hip-hop Madonna. I'm the new hip-hop Madonna, I'm the trap Grace Jones. I don't know what type of motherfucking crack they own. I'm like Carrie Bradshaw with a back brace on. I've been carrying you bitches now for way too long. I'm a black bitch, purple cunt. Stack chips, smoke a blunt. All beef gets smoked. I'm a real fly bitch, you in coach hoe. Wake up, A-cup, get your tits up in my makeup. Face fuck, get your fake up. Fake blood, fake tough niggas dicks up. Put your six up for the motherfucking princess. Rates up, jigs up, put your dicks up, get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up. They suck, that's tough, nigga, pay up, get your rates up for the motherfucking. Put the motherfucking money in my motherfucking hands. I'm in Gucci in a bonnet, spinning motherfucking bands. I got haters, I got fans, I got stands in the stands. Do they love her or they hate her? Either way they spinning bands. I can really give a damn, I can really give a fuck. Long ass you bitches know what's up. It's Dolce, bitch, Miss D.O.D. Don Dollar, bitch, you know bitch me. And I don't you the Lulu, you a loose screw. She really give me cunt in a pussy voodoo. She swapped the old nigga for a bitch ain't new. She munching on the vibes while she watching Hulu.